in the state of Maryland, it's going to be 47 degrees, sunny. Feels like 43 degrees. There will be mostly sunny skies. The high will be 66 degrees. And as you may know, tomorrow is going to be April. And then today, it's going to be the final day of March. So it's going to be 47 degrees, sunny for today. Now let's go over to the top of the radar, which is going to be the rain. So, here we go. So there will be no rain for today because it's quiet and empty. But however, it's going to be rain for tomorrow. You can see here, rain is going to be almost approaching towards Garrett County. In fact, the rain is going to be tomorrow on Monday. You can see here, so umbrella, there's no needs. Outdoors, you have to be great. Clothing, you have to wear a light jacket. Alright, moving on. Now, like we've been telling you, just ignore these ads because we're concentrating on doing the weather. And also, we do not own the MSN Weather. It's theirs who made it. Alright. So in Baltimore and BWI Airport, you will see that are going to be 7 miles per hour. Same thing in Washington, D.C. Same thing in Easton. So Baltimore, Washington, and Easton, there are going to be 7 miles per hour. 4 miles per hour in Hagerstown and Frederick. Cumberland, 3 miles per hour. Salisbury and Pocomoke City, there are going to be 8 miles per hour. The highest number in 9 miles per hour is in Lexington Park. Let's start off with Ocean City. If you live in Ocean City, you will have that are going to be the highest number of 10 miles per hour. Montgomery and even in Howard County. So let's start off with this. So right here in Baltimore and Baltimore City, we're going to start off with Baltimore City as a matter of fact. Arbutus, 7 miles per hour. Dundalk, 8 miles per hour. Parkville, 7 miles per hour. Middle River, 7 miles per hour. Now Annapolis, 8 miles per hour. Columbia, 7 miles per hour. West Friendship, 6 miles per hour. Greenbelt, 6 miles per hour. Bowie, 7 miles per hour. And like we've been telling you, Washington, D.C., 7 miles per hour. And finally, Rockville, 6 miles per hour. Okay. So let's start off with Harford County before Cecil. So, Dublin, 7 miles per hour. Havre de Grace, 6 miles per hour. Same thing in Aberdeen, Riverside, Bel Air North and South, Fallston, Jarrettsville. Joppa and Joppa Town showing 7 miles per hour. And then Perryville showing exactly the same thing as 6 miles per hour. Now to the Cecil County. If you live in Cecil County, you will have that are showing 6 miles per hour and 7 miles per hour. So mostly we're on a 6 miles per hour in Elkton, Charlestown, Northeast, Oakwood, and Rising Sun. So we're showing clouds. So we do have a little bit of clouds in Maryland, where you live. So clouds are going to be picking up right here on the northeast side and finally on the eastbound. So there won't be any clouds for today. But however, the rain is going to be coming through clouds for tomorrow. With the humidity are showing exactly these numbers. Those numbers are going to be on the 80s, nearly 90s, and showing with more than 70s. So in the blue, in Garrett County, if you live in Garrett County, you will have that are going to be 100% humidity. With the visibility, we're mostly on the gray stuff of more than 12.4 mile. However, ladies and gentlemen, the green stuff that we're showing here, which is in Hagerstown, and even exiting from Washington County, there are going to be Frederick County. And then even in Allegheny County, including Cumberland, 12.4 mile. Other than that, in most of these counties, like Ocean City, and so on and so forth, that are going to be on the gray stuff of more than 12.4 mile. In Hartford and Cecil, that are going to be on the green stuff with 9.9. Little bit in Baltimore County, showing of more than 9.9. So that's going to be in Howard, whatever you want to call it. Now the purple are showing in Garrett County with 0.5 mile. And as you can see for today, there are going to be with more than 20 mile on the gray stuff. However, we do have the green, which is going to be in not Hartford, but Frederick, and even in Washington County. Now with the sea level pressure is showing the silver right here in the state of Maryland. And also we do have mostly on the nearly of 30 inch, such as Hartford, Cecil, Kent, Prince George, Queens Anne's, you name it. Even in Washington, Carroll, Frederick, Howard, Charles, Howard, and so much more. So we do have nearly of the 30s. With the dew point, we're showing on the 40s, on the green stuff. With the air quality, we're showing that are going to be in Baltimore that are going to be good once you enjoy outdoor activities. However, it's going to be cold, so you might have to wear a light jacket. So we're showing the 30s and on the 40s in the state of Maryland. If we zoom in from Hartford to Cecil, so you will have that are going to be on the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, and nearly the 40s, and showing with more than the 30s right here in the state of Maryland. And don't forget about Kent County also. Ocean City, you will have that are going to be 36. Garrett and Allegheny are going to be on the nearly the 40s and more than 40s, and that's it, including Washington County. Now with the pollen, we're showing the green stuff that are going to be the low. So we're showing the low of nearly the 10s, more than 10s, and showing with nearly the 20s and more than 20s. So green represents that are going to be low. Now with the temperatures are going to be cold around the 40s, more than 40s, and even more than 50s. So temperatures are going to be on the green stuff. So green represents that are going to be on the 50s, and finally green represents going to be on the 40s also. Temperatures are going to be cold outside, ladies and gentlemen, right here in the state of Maryland. And don't forget about the precipitation. We haven't even done precipitation for a while ago, so let's just get started, however. So you will see right here in Maryland, where you live, with precipitation, that are going to be nothing for today. However, precipitation is going to be coming through Maryland by tomorrow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're showing on the 40s right here in the state of Maryland. So we have 2 of these locations in the state of Maryland that we're going to be showing with nearly the 50s and even sunny around Washington, D.C. and Rock Hall. We're going to put that on the description below. Other than that, we do have mostly on the 40s. Like in Perryville, showing 46 sunny. Frederick, 44 sunny also. Oakland, 45 partly sunny. Cumberland, 45 mostly cloudy. Hagerstown, 41 cloudy. Westminster, 43 mostly sunny. Annapolis, 47 sunny. Bel Air, same thing, but this time it's gonna be 43. Elton, 44, and finally Easton, 47. Now for today, it's good. Now, like we've been telling you earlier, for today, we're showing on nearly on the 50s, which is going to be sunny, and notice 66 degrees, mostly sunny. Now with the record high, we're showing 93 degrees with the year of 1998. Record low showing 24 degrees, 1964. Average high, 61 degrees. Average low, 44 degrees. Rain days, 33. Average, 0.14 inch. Record showing 1.2 inch with the year of 2017. Snow days, 4. Average, nothing. Record showing 0.12 inch with the year of 2011. So night, heavy rains is expected. The low will be 47 degrees. That's what it says on the bottom. So like we've been telling you, with the umbrella, there's no needs. Outdoors, they're going to be great, but it's going to be cold. Wind chilled, safe. With the clothing, you have to wear a light jacket. Now with the final March, with the monthly planner, going to be the cloudy and rainy, sunny and cloudy days, 39. Rain, snow days, 3. Average high, 53 degrees. Average low, 38 degrees. So today's going to be sunny. Tomorrow's going to be heavy rain around 57 degrees. Now, as always, ladies and gentlemen, here is the rest of the forecast. During April, as a matter of fact, listen carefully. So we do have 51 degrees, heavy rain also on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, same thing. But this time, 52 degrees, the highest. The same numbers that are going to be partly sunny on Thursday will be 52 degrees. Partly sunny again, 50 degrees on Friday. Partly sunny Saturday, around 55 degrees. And finally, with the sunny, around 59 degrees. So, now let's break it down. So tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday are going to be heavy rain. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, that are going to be partly sunny. The only sunny that we're going to get is on Sunday.